All right, you guys, so I have my salad with my ranch, eggs, bacon, and the whole fish. Y'all, this doesn't take that long to cook. And pretty much I had the seasoning. It was the Cajun fish fry, so you don't really have to add anything to that. If you want to, you can lightly season it. Look at here. Hot, but yummy. Y'all just had a taste of something different today. I have a quick question. Do you believe people should be told how many kids they can have? If so, what do you think would be some of the pros and some of the cons?